Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying the access point supports acting as a router or NAT device and updating firmware. This prevents later surprises. Once done, collect your ISP details, DHCP or static IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS, because you'll need them in the web UI. Connect your computer to a LAN port via Ethernet so you don't lose access while changing network settings. Open the AP's admin interface and log in, then proceed to the network settings section to begin conversion. Now enable NAT or router mode in the AP settings so traffic can be routed between WAN and LAN. Assign the WAN interface to DHCP or static as your ISP requires, and make sure the LAN uses a different subnet to avoid routing loops. Turn on the AP's DHCP server and define an IP pool, DNS servers, and reasonable lease time. Configure basic firewall rules or default deny policies, and set port forwarding if you need inbound services. To finish, reconnect a client and verify it receives a LAN IP and can reach the internet. Run a traceroute to confirm traffic flows through the AP. Check NAT tables and client leases in the admin UI, and review firewall logs for dropped packets that indicate misconfigured rules. If something is unreachable, try toggling WAN settings or rebooting the AP. If persistent, perform a factory reset and reapply the working configuration. One key tip: keep a backup of the config so you can restore quickly if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.